I could smell the smoke. I could see the flames shooting way up there in the sky. You think, is this real? It was like a nightmare. My kids were there, my wife was there, inside a few hours before. To think that somebody not only burned the mosque, but was trying to burn everything that you believed in, that no, you're not part of this American fabric. I kept thinking, what is going on here? You know, we live here, our kids grew up here. Are we wanted? Are we welcome? Is this a goodbye eviction notice?
When I became aware that there was an act of arson, a hate crime, I chose to offer the keys to our synagogue to the Muslim community. That was done without any thought of religion or politics. About a decade ago, our synagogue was desecrated with swastikas and Heil Hitler. So we've been through this before.
There are 100 churches in Victoria, Texas, and then there's one mosque and there's one synagogue. It's easy to fall in your own little world and bubble, and yet I would have never guessed that the community would have responded like this. I canceled Sunday school and I drove over there. I wanted to show my support and solidarity for them. I was thrilled to see hundreds of people come out of the woodwork and show up for these prayer services.
We had Christians, Jews, blacks, whites, gays, straights, together in solidarity with each other. When the attempts are made to divide us, actually it backfires on the perpetrator because it really bands us all together as a cohesive group.
I remember standing, praying together with the hundreds of community members in front of us. The charred mosque was right behind us, and we almost turned our back to the past, to the hate. And you feel there is hope, not only for now, but for the future. Allah. The outpouring of support was a powerful message of healing. This came from family in Oregon. You are our brothers and sisters. Never forget that there is more love than you can see.